Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do voiceovers on the TikTok. So if you want to record your voice behind your video, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, now you have to click on this plus icon. Okay, now you can shoot a new video or you can simply upload from your gallery. Okay, I shoot a video from here. Now I want to add the voiceover behind this video. Simply you have to click on this tick button, and once you will do it, here you will see voiceover button, so you have to click on it. Once you will do it, now you can simply click on this red button. Once you will do it, your voiceover will be start and you can do voiceover behind your video on the TikTok. So this is the way you can do voiceover on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.